Good morning, children. Today we are going to do position words or prepositions, which are words that express relation between two nouns in a sentence. Children, today we are going to do only two prepositions. The first one of them is in. Please look at the given pictures. Preposition in expresses the position and location of an object to a person in the sentence, or it expresses the position or location of two objects in relation to each other, or two persons in relation to each other. Look at the first one. The duck is in the pond. It is expressing the relation between the duck and the pond, and it is also telling us the location of the duck, that it is in the pond. Look at the next one. The dog is in the house. Here the preposition in is telling us the location of the dog and in relation to the house, and so it is establishing a relation between the dog and the house. The next one, the boy is in the car. It is telling us the position or location of the boy, that he is in the car. The rat, preposition in is telling us that the rat is in the hole. So it is expressing the location of the rat and also telling us the relation between the rat and the hole. Flowers, preposition in is telling us that the flowers are in the vase. In other words, it is expressing the location of the flowers in relation to the vase. The milk is in the glass. Here again, preposition in is telling us the position or location of the milk, that it is in the glass. So children, preposition in is a preposition of location or position which helps to establish a relation between two things in a sentence, two persons in a sentence, between a person and a thing in a sentence. Now, the second one, the second preposition which we will be doing today is on. Preposition on is expressing the relationship of one thing with the other in a sentence. It is also telling us the location of the ball in the first sentence. The ball is on the table. Then look at the second sentence. It is telling us the location of the dog. The dog is on the bed. Then third one, let us look at the third example, the baby. The baby is on a mat. What is the position of the baby? It is on the mat. The rat, the position of the rat is, it is on a bench. The cat is on a tree. The ant is on a leaf. The crow is on the pot. Please note children, here we cannot say that the crow is in the pot. Okay, so preposition on is also used to express the location or the position of a thing or a person in relation to another object, and it also establishes a relation between two things, two persons, a thing or a person in a sentence.